नमस्ते जेवीएन। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I जेवीएन प्रीति सिंह, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the what is the advantage and disadvantage of the liquid dosage form. So, the firstly, we discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of the liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form, some examples of the preparations. This topic belongs to the B Form first semester. uh, Subject is pharmaceutics. So this subject is very important for the different type of preparation like solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, and semi-solid dosage form. This subject based on the dosage form design. So firstly, we discuss about the what is the advantage of liquid dosage form. So we will consider one preparation like syrup. Syrup is one preparation. So the what is the advantage of syrup? So the act as antioxidant by retarding the oxidation as sugar is hydrolyzed uh, into levulosome and dextrose. So act as preservative by regarding the growth of bacteria, fungi, and mold as osmotic pressure is 16 times greater than the isotonic solution. So good patient compliance, especially pediatric patients, as syrup are sweet in taste. So what is the use of the liquid dosage form or syrup? What is the use? So the vehicle and sweetening agent and preservative and flavoring agent. So now we come to the what is the disadvantage of the syrup. So delayed onset of action because because absorption take time, not suitable in emergency, and for unconscious patients, not convenient for a patient with a certain disorders such as diarrhea, ulceration, and nausea, can't avoid first pass metabolism. Classification: flavored syrup, medicated syrup, and non-medicated syrup. So this is the overall uh, protocol of the advantage and disadvantage of the liquid dosage form. So what is firstly we discuss about the classification of the monophasic liquid dosage form. There are divided into two types. Uh, First one is the liquid meant for the internal administration, and liquid meant for the external administration. Overall the classification of the liquid dosage form. So the liquid meant for the internal administration is also based on the uh, different categories uh, like syrup, ointment, sorry, syrup, mixtures, elixirs, uh, linctuses. So many types of preparation uh, in the liquid meant for the internal administration. So the mm, so next one is the liquid meant for the liquid mean for the liquid mean for the external administration is divided into three parts. First one is the liquid applied to the skin, and next one is the liquid used in the mouth, gargles, mouth passes, and liquid uh, instilled into the cavities, dodges, ear dodges. Exactly. Now, firstly, we discuss about the what is the advantage of liquid dosage form. So advantage is a uh, advantage of the liquid dosage form is the better for patients who have trouble swallowing and expiration than other, and B is the faster absorption than solid and more flexibility to achieving the proper doses of the medication, and this is the palatable and best choice of the children and old age person. So overall the advantage of the liquid doses form. Liquid doses form are essential pharmaceutical product in the form which involve a mixture of active drug components and non-drug components, excipients. Liquid form of a dose of a drug used as a drug or medication intended for administration or consumption. Liquid doses form are prepared by the dissolving the active drug substance in a aqueous or non-aqueous, example alcohol, ether, glycerin solvent, by suspending the drug in appropriate medium, or by incorporating the drug substances into an oil or water phases. So the liquid doses form a dose of chemical compound used as a drug or medication intended for administration or consumption. May be administered systematically by mouth of the injected by using different techniques into the skin, muscles, or veins. And so this is the advantage and disadvantage of the liquid doses form. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.